Hi, good morning all. Just excuse me for some sound that is coming. I think that something get it grinded. Okay, so maybe for 1 or 2 minutes I will continue, and by that time we all will join. So let's wait for people joining us, and also let's see how we saw last week and where we ended. Okay, so just admitting everyone, and by that time, admit all. Okay, so somewhere, was this? No, I think this was it. Yeah. Okay, so mainly we retested almost 10800, right? So that is what we were saying. Yeah, good morning, Sanjay. So I think many people still joining or struggling to join, right? Okay, so this is what we did. The last support is from where we have bounced. Okay, and almost 40 support on daily as well. Okay, so this was one thing that we saw last week. Another one we saw even breaking of 21,450, and we saw almost it going down. So Bank Nifty had got a bigger fall than Nifty, where we saw almost 20,000 been retested. Right, so that was another thing. So 20,100 acted as support for Bank Nifty, and that was also weekly 40 support. So we'll see all those things. Nifty IT also has got some issue. Just I'll wait for 2 minutes because there's some grinding happening, and okay, so now that's been done. Okay, so Pharma and Nifty saw some type of fallback. Okay, so then there was some fallback even in FMCG because it resisted 60 on monthly and weekly, and that is where it has fallen down. Nifty Auto also daily resisting 60 resistance, weekly about 68 support, but monthly was neutral. So again, the daily on Doji on 60 resistance acted. So we'll see all the sectors, and let's see how it then went. Okay, so I'm going to just keep this. So the diamond and the golden sector might have gone wiped out. Huh? There was some fall in the market, and we are all now looking into it. So even the Reliance, I think the flag setup has now gone away. Okay, so now we don't have the flag setup anymore in Reliance as well. And even Ultratech would have come down from where it was. This didn't trigger only, and it has gone down because it went below 40, and the bullish divergence which was there, that also didn't triggered or confirmed, or even the monthly cup has been broken now. So now Airtel, I think I will remove out only from the group. Okay, we will not look into Airtel at all. Okay, let's see Maruti. Maruti monthly slightly bearish, and we saw the fall in Maruti. Right. Again, let's see signals. So both the diamond stocks have now gone down. So still might be in the golden sector. So we'll have to see that also. Okay. Cipla basically, see, it is part of DRR, so I don't edit over here. I will just let you know what is about Cipla. Okay, so I'm only taking key stocks of the indices. I'm not going to do each and every stock of the indices. Okay, so let's start. We have the data with us. Okay, so let's start with, see, somewhere you see with infrastructure stock, everything has bounced from 60, got resisted, it came to 40, and we see a reversal signal on 40. But the main thing is there is, gap everywhere. So that is also case with Nifty as well. Okay, Nifty also has now a gap to be filled. Okay, this is going to be the gap which is going to now hamper Nifty, and Nifty is also at around 40, 41. So we can have something called as, gap resistance. Okay, so this can be a gap resistance and 40 resistance as well, and we might see Nifty falling down again. So because you can see what has happened during this time is now it has broken this particular trend line. Okay, and it's now below this, and almost you can say tweezer top or that type of a formation, and then you might see this fall in the market. Okay, so this is where we are right now, and this is going to be acting as a resistance zone for us. That's also a price resistance if you look at it. Okay, if I draw the line entirely, you'll see much more better on the resistance line. Okay, if I just draw this as horizontal, okay, so this is a bigger resistance line than anything else. So you can see this was resisting. I went there, and mainly we resisted on the gaps out here as well. Okay, so this was everywhere where we have been in the resistance zone, and from there we have seen a fall. Okay, and this fall again, see, yesterday's candle does not have, or Friday's candle does not have much volume. Okay, if it is a bull sash, okay, it looks like a bull sash. Okay, and sorry, I need to convert this into arrow. This looks like a bull sash, but this bull sash is at 40 resistance probably. Okay, it's around 40 resistance as well as the gap resistance. Okay, now let's see what is the case on weekly. Okay, so I'll remove everything else when we are on weekly. Okay, so even see weekly has broken with good volumes. Okay, so this is a good bearish candle with volume, and we have seen somewhere some stop which is here. Okay, which was 10,800, which was already set as a support for us, and we have taken support here. So if this is broken now in the coming week, if this is broken, we might see much more fall. Also, you can see very clearly that this has been broken. So 60 has been broken as well on weekly basis, right? So we have broken the support on RSI, and we are also now coming down with volumes. Okay, so this is something which is to be feared of. Okay, this is, you can say, as the last engulfing. Okay, so this was the last engulfing of this rally and might see now some fall. Okay, unless we cross the high of this, I will not, be comfortable to be long in indices, or maybe even in the indices stock, because somewhere the rally has been halted now. Okay, so this is where we are right now. We have corrected almost 1,000 points. Okay, so now let's see what we might see in the coming week, right? So this is the fall that we can expect now, or it might take support somewhere around this level. Okay, so it might come till 50 as well as maybe this level for support, because that is also another good support. So 10,700 is another support where we might see some support to Nifty. And monthly after one, 2, 3, 4, 5. See again, 5 is the Fibonacci number. And after 5 white candles, we see a black candle which is also acting as almost, bear sash. Not bear sash, but at least dark cloud cover. Okay, it's not a sash because it's still, the month is yet to be covered, completed. So we still have 3 to 4 days. So where it completes, we'll get a clear picture about how September has gone. But currently, it has been resisting. Okay, and if you look at retracement now, I think we would be struggling to get it around. So you might see this coming up. Okay, it might come for a support on 61% before it starts a fresh rally. So it might come here for a support. If it takes support and bounces, it's going to be a beautiful rally. Okay, so whatever is happening is mainly, in a way, you can say it's a healthy retracement also, and we are also resisting at the trend line. So now we need a breakout of a trend line as well on monthly basis. So these are few things which you need to be clear. Okay, so it can be a market where we might see some sideways movement till this breakout happen. Okay, so mainly the vaccine and stuff which is supposed to drive the market up is still pending. Okay, we are not seeing any improvement on anywhere on the medicine side, or nor any other thing that we might want to have. Okay, so that is the reason why I might uh, be saying this now for some time is we might get a sideways market unless this is broken. Okay, so this is a monthly trend line now which is getting in the formation. 2 points already. See, if to draw a line you need 2 points. You have 2 points. Okay, so now this is the slope. Unless this has been broken on the upside, we might see some downfall. Okay, or maybe this is the support line, and if this remains intact, then we might see consolidation at this and then a breakout. Okay, so mainly downside or consolidation can be the result of this now. Okay, because we don't have any way straightforward up movement. Okay, that V-shaped recovery has been halted here, and it can be a small zigzag and then up. Okay, is the volume clear for everyone, or volume is okay, or it's still low? Okay, 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 thank you. So let's write about Nifty. Okay, daily below 40 and at gap resistance weekly below 60. Might see more downfall if 10,700 is broken. Broken. Okay. Or else will remain sideways between 10,700 to 11. Okay. So this 500 points would be the moment where we might see Nifty going. So this is where we might see Nifty. This would be the movement zone. Okay, I'll keep it this way. Okay, from the support till this. See that you can see again on the recording as well, but mainly understand it's a line. Okay, it's a trend line, and this is where it is resisting. So this levels will not be that easily achievable, and this is the support line. So between this and this, it should be there. Okay. So guys, at least be attentive, because see, we don't have much time and we have to. This is still the first indices, right? So this is the point which I'm saying. This breakout will lead to take it again to 12,500. Okay, Allah. Unless this is broken with volumes, we might not see this coming up. Okay, so this can be the roof for more time. Okay, if you need a new roof, you need a breakout. This is also very clear on monthly, because monthly is also RSI is changing its. You can see the direction from the upside; it has moved downside. Okay, and also here the trend line has been broken. It's a very strong trend line which was broken, and now we see it below 40. So if this bounces from here, we might see again a new top. That top would be around 11,700. Else, this is going to fall. Okay, so this is again what happens tomorrow is going to be very, very important, because we might resist 40 here and come down. Okay, so this is possible now because of this gap. I'm not thinking much movement in the Nifty. Okay, so now let me see the support and resistance lines. So I think that is going to be the same. Okay, support and resistance are now at 10,800 and 700 on the downside. Okay, 11,200 itself is a resistance now. Okay, so this is going to be the resistance zone for us, and support are going to be 11,800, 10,800 for sure, from where we have seen the bounce, and then 10,650. If this is broken, we might see bigger fall. So 10,550. Okay, so we have got some back-to-back support out here. But if this is broken, okay, then we might see it coming to again 9,000 or 10,000. Okay, so this is where then the 50% retracement is there. Okay, again Bank Nifty, let's see fast. Okay, so Bank Nifty has also got a similar points. Okay, and it is clearly below 40. Okay, the Bank Nifty looks more bearish than it, and it's also at now the CIT level. Look at this. See this. This here can have a bigger fall. Okay, so we might expect 19,500. Okay, in case of Bank Nifty. Let's see. Let me remove everything. Weekly is coming towards 40 support, so that can be the plus point for us. Okay, and see this. Okay, so we had a very good volume breakdown, and there is a volume over here as well. But where is that volume? So now this is the volume at the bottom. Okay, this can be also the volume for exhaustion of this new trend, and might be the volume for a moving up. Okay, So we need to wait and watch what happens now in this week. Okay, because this is a very good volume candle. But if this volume is in the downside, then this if this low is broken, okay, which is 10 400 or 450, then we might see this 19500 coming soon. Okay, then we might see the thing going up and going on. The Nifty daily resistance is not good. It may pierce and go up. Yeah, so there can be some chances of that. So right now 10 800 is acting as a very good support. Okay, so that is where it is. And Nifty might get support, but I'm not too keen on Bank Nifty now. And Bank Nifty also around monthly is around 40 support. So we need to see weekly, monthly at 40. So see, there can be one chance, okay, monthly at 40 support and there can be a daily divergence. Okay, so we might see another candle which is coming down by the end of month. Okay, and we might see a daily divergence and monthly at 40 support, which is again a very good strategy to trade. Okay, so I think that we might see next week. Okay, because the month ends in the next week, so we'll have to see that. But currently, this looks little bit of bearish to me, but we'll have to now check where the support is. So if this really bounces from here, okay, then we might see it. So if it crosses 40, then and also weekly is with volumes, right? So we need to understand if the low is broken, then we might see 19500 coming up. Same as monthly, if it breaks down and breaks 40, then we have more trouble. Okay, then we might have more trouble. Okay, so Bank Nifty mainly daily at 40 at 40 and gap resistance. Same as with the case of Nifty as well. Weekly around 40, weekly and monthly both, right? And around 40 support. Okay, so this is what we have, and let's say the resistances. Okay, so right now the resistance is going to be the 21 400. Just keep it till 2 because I don't need this. EAV cross line electron. Okay, and support will just give around the current level. Okay, because this is where it has bounced. So 2500 you can say is one of the good support. Then it is going to be 20,000 itself. Okay, and then 19800 is the support, right? Yeah, 19800 or 900. So 19800 I will make it as support because there can be some points where it might go down and bounce. So not a bearish engulfing, it is actually dark cloud cover. मंथली का बात कर रहे हो तो हाँ engulfing actually, sorry. Okay, it's a bearish engulfing with good volume actually. And weekly at dark cloud cover. Where there is a dark cloud cover and then 4 weeks of downfall. Okay. Right, so we have now this two. Let's go to IT. Let's go to IT. The IT was one of the very good sector and see immediately what it has done is taken support on 60. Okay, but it was too high and from there it has fallen. The main thing that you should see here is shooting star and almost the high of shooting star retested, and then see the bigger fall. Alright, so then there is a bigger fall, and we have taken support right now on the 20 MA on daily. That is one thing. There's a huge spinning top, okay? If the low breaks, the downward journey of IT stocks will continue. It's a huge spinning top. So either the high needs to be crossed or the low needs to be crossed. Monthly कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा actually. Okay, monthly still okay and bullish. Okay, so still it's a golden sector. Okay, but there is a gap now, which it needs to be crossed. Because IT is still looking bullish. Okay, still a golden sector. Okay, daily bounced from 60, but had that resistance. Resistance and weekly is spinning. ओके तो वीकली स्पिनिंग टॉप मतलब डोजी हो गया तो डोजी का हाई क्रॉस किया तो बाई करो लो क्रॉस किया तो शॉर्ट करो राइट सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी ओके एंड मंथली इज बुलिश इट्स अ बैंड वॉक एंड अबाउट 60 ओके अभी भी उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा तो मंथली ऑन आईटी स्टॉक लुक्स गुड so we'll have to see IT sector. Let's go to the other sector now. So infra that we are seeing now, infra has actually covered the gap, but it's at 40 resistance. So we need to now see what it does here. Okay, so infra has actually covered the gap as well. Took support almost not that. Okay, it has broken 20 MA, but maybe the Doji's low has been retested and from there it has bounced. Let's see what happens here. Also at price support here also, right? So resistance, support. Okay, so it's been supported here. So if this breaks, we might see some pullback even in infra stocks. But currently it has been at support, but it's forming a perfect month कहाँ end होता है उसके हिसाब से it's going to be a evening star at price resistance. Okay, so this is also price resistance for it. Okay, so it's going to be an evening star. अगर ये थोड़ा ऊपर में भी बंद होता है तो भी ये evening star तो है ही. Okay, so it's an evening star and on monthly which can be fatal for the sector, right? So this also looks little bit dicier for us. So this also looks little bearish now. Let's see the other sector. FMCG तो पूरा गिरा हुआ है. See यहाँ पे तो already ये shooting star आया और shooting star का there is been a very good bearish candle here, right? And say clearly resistance of 60. Okay, so this sector is now going for some correction. You will see here resisting 60, right? Even the gap has been closed. Yes, the gap up here has been closed. This gap is also not been acting as support anymore. So we took support somewhere here now, which is this line. Okay, so around this line we took support. This is also coming down for 40. It is around 46 now. and might have been around 42, 43 before Friday. And let's see what it is. So this has got an island reversal here. Oh, so Julie has got an island reversal and it can retest this. Okay, because this is the swing high, and we might see this that means coming up. But the only hurdle is the island reversal is below 40. Okay, we might see some pullback in this stock. Let's see. As you will see the stocks as well, we'll understand. But the index has got an island reversal here. Okay, gap down, small candle, gap up. This is a very good example of island reversal. Okay, so we can expect this as the target or maybe even this as target. So this sector can do many things, but what is that on 40 support? हाँ क्या हाँ 510 ले रही हूँ. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, let us write about FMCG daily island reversal, bullish island reversal. Okay, sector, but below 40. Okay, around 40 and okay, so this is going to be critical week for even FMCG sector as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Okay, let's see now Nifty Auto what it has to show to us. Nifty Auto is again at gap resistance. Okay, so see this and now might be this. So we have a bull size here also. We need to see how it does next week. Okay, again see 60 broken even on weekly. 8,111, 8,161, 68.69, 67. So there was a bearish divergence setup which has been confirmed by this breakdown. Okay, by the way. So bearish divergence setup on weekly has worked for the auto sector. See the confirmation. Okay, so there has been a huge confirmation on this. So there is something which might, may take it at least till 20 mm. So there can be some still fall on the sector. Okay, we have to see this. We'll have to see this. Okay, this sector now. And let's see monthly. Monthly is obviously after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good candles. See, this is, you need to understand this. Okay, it's a record session count of 5 candles. Okay, see 3 कैंडल के बाद एक white candle आया, 5 कैंडल के बाद एक red candle आया. This is because Fibonacci numbers are being followed for record session count, and you can easily see 3 के बाद और एक कलर चेंज आया. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे सबसे बड़ा है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles. Okay, so 10 again it is not Fibonacci, but 10 is a very good round number. Okay, जहाँ के बाद they will change. Okay, so you need to understand it works in this fashion. So this is almost 7 to 8 candles again in one line, which is again in the another Fibonacci number. So this is how normally it will work as well. Okay, so you need to understand this record session count as well. No, daily is not bullish. Who said daily is bullish? This does not say daily is bullish. Daily is also around resistance, right? If you're talking about Nifty Auto, it doesn't look to be that. Okay, now again there is a doji on this month. Okay, so this is doji. If the low breaks, we might see some more fall in it, and that fall can be till 6808. Okay, this can be the support for uh, auto sector as well. Okay, which can be also at around 38 to 40% of retracement. So right now, this is what we can be. See, this is 38% of retracement. So if that 680 comes, we are at 38% of retracement of the current swing. Okay, so this is where we are right now at 25%. We can jump to 38%. Then when healthy retracement from where we can see again a smooth run. Okay. So whatever is happening in the market is a good thing because we are looking into some retracement, and that retracement is healthy for market. Okay, so this is again looking okay to me. Okay, Nifty Auto daily around 40 and gap resistance. Weekly bearish divergence confirm, and monthly doji. Okay, there can be some retracement now planned in the market. Okay, let's see the last sector. किधर चला गया? Where is this sector? कोई बाबा फार्मा कहाँ गायब हो गया? Okay. So pharma on a weekly it is still looking okay because it resisted the upper band. Okay, and maybe 75, 75 and अरे भाई ये क्या है 7,000 ठीक है there was no nothing out here okay to worry so this is okay. Okay, it has broken even the golden sector turn. Okay, see it's also very small candidate gap resistance as well as so we'll have to see how the sector reacts now. It's still above the band and it is doing band walk. Okay, so might see some resistance here. That is the reason. So again, see, we need this shooting star high to be crossed. Okay, on closing भी अगर जब तक ये नहीं होता नहीं यहाँ पे अटकते रहेगा. See, this is a very good resistance by the way. See this. So we need this to close. But monthly is still bullish because it's still the third candle on the band walk. Okay, and month is yet to be over. Let's see what it does here. Okay, weekly is around weekly PRD here. Okay, see. There is a PRD setup on weekly as well. So let it get confirmed. There is a PRD setup on weekly. We have to wait and see what it does. Okay. So now let's write down for the pharma and then fast go to the stocks. Right, so daily below 60 और गैप रेजिस्टेंस ये तो सब में आ गया गैप रेजिस्टेंस तो अभी मतलब वी आइदर you are expecting a gap up opening maybe tomorrow which covers all the gap or we might see resistance of the gap. ये हो गया daily below 60 and gap resistance इसमें क्या था, वीकली वॉज, वीकली पीआरडी सेटअप है राइट, 4 बार पीआरडी सेटअप, अच्छा पीआरडी सेटअप है, नीड्स कंफर्मेशन है, ओके, monthly still Bangalore. So monthly is bullish. Okay, I'll just write down that. Monthly is bullish. So let's start looking. Nasdaq was very positive on Friday. That does not matter, okay? That does not matter. Please don't see Fridays. I think it does not impact anything to us. Okay, so now let's start the stocks. ये क्या आ रहा है ऐसा, अबान ऑफशोर ये सब कब से आना लगा इधर? ओके ओके, जिसके पास ये चीज़ है ना, वो नेक्स्ट अगर आपको नया सीरीज का चीज हो, ये जो एनएससी फ्यूचर 1 फ्यूचर 2 एनालिसिस फ्यूचर दैट गिव्स यू ऑफ द न्यू मंथ, ओके, और ये अभी नवंबर का देगा, अभी ये आई एम चेंजिंग बैक टू अक्टूबर. Okay, so now let's see Reliance, what it has to say. So Reliance has got a beautiful weekly PRD setup भी है इसमें भी. Okay, you can easily see 68 and 67. So there is a PRD setup here, but it also has got an evening star. Okay, so it also has got an evening star here. So if this breaks, we are at price support also, by the way, on Reliance. So Reliance is at price support. Okay, above 60 on weekly, and we also see a PRD setup between this and this. So there is a 4 bar PRD setup as well. Okay, but there is an evening star also, so it's a googly. Okay, which side it goes, we'll have to see accordingly. Okay, look at the monthly, it's a band walk and still at the highest closing as per month. We need the monthly close about 2088. Okay, which not 2088, sorry, 2202. Okay, so 2202 के ऊपर में इसका close चाहिए, so that the doji high has been crossed. Okay, so we need Reliance to close about 2202 to remain bullish. Okay, and see again, this is the fourth candle on the band. तो और एक कैंडल आने का चांसेस है यहाँ पे. Okay, so there are, as per the record session count, you can have 5 candles on band walk. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth. So we might see one more candle above the band. Weekly PRD देखा हम लोग ने, and see now again this is the gap resistance. Okay, so we are at price support, which is this, and we are at weekly and monthly support as well. So we have to see this, how the stock behaves. Okay, so this is where we are right now at support. Let's see now what happens out here. So Reliance daily below 60 and gap resistance. Weekly PRD setup along with premium stock. Okay. Monthly is bullish. So I'm bullish if it closes above bullish. Okay, if closes above 22.0. Okay, 22.05 up there. दो चार रुपये का बफर रख देते हैं. Okay, that is how it should be kept. Weekly signifies a googly. Okay, so that is what it is. It's a googly now because it has got an evening star which is bearish pattern and weekly PRD setup. If the PRD confirms, if we see a new high, Okay, so that is what it signifies. So we'll have to wait for it. Okay, ऐसे ही मत चले जाओ, उसको देखो क्या करता है, उसके बाद करो. Okay. Then let's see some other stocks. Let's see. भारतीय एयरटेल किसी ने बोला तो मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ, बट भारतीय ओके इट इज कम डाउन फ्रॉम दी ऑलमोस्ट कहाँ से टच करके वो बाउंस हो रहा है. ओके इट्स टचिंग दिस पार्ट. Okay, and bouncing, and now it can reach till 491. Okay, there can be one thing that see all time frame are below 40. Okay, and this is broken 60. So now I would not be happy to trade this stock. Okay, it's gone. Okay, now see Maruti. Maruti on daily has actually closed the gap, but it's at 40 resistance. So now we need to see what it does here. Okay, monthly, weekly is also broken 60 and it's below that and it's at support. Okay, and monthly see again this is what after 5 candles there is a bearish candle here at resistance. Okay, it is not able to cross that mark of 7500. Okay, that is where it is struggling now to go above. Okay, so this is what has been resisting it. तो ये resistance इसको cross करना है. So this is a very good resistance now for it. Okay, so unless this is crossed, the new highs will be restricted. Okay, so you have to see now how this behaves from here. So there can be some retracement in Maruti as well. Let's see. All time frames are sideways and there is a daily at 40 resistance. Okay, this is actually a reversal side, na, by the way. मंथली पे एक रिवर्सल है अभी इसमें. We might see, तो मैंने जो clearly तभी बोला था when we saw Nifty and Bank Nifty that there can be some retracement now in the market or sideways market. So even the stocks are showing the same type of things. Okay, so tomorrow or maybe this week is going to be critical, and let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll see Ultratech as well because that is also a good stock. So still see it is behaving where it should have been, still around at support, but at gap. Okay, weekly hammer low. Okay, so it has actually retested hammer, but let's see with this defense. Okay, this has been defended so far. Okay, monthly shows a good candle, so let's see also retracement कितना हुआ इसका. ये अच्छा दिख रहा है भाई. I want to see the retracement. Yes, yes, exactly at 38% it has got a retracement. And now, if you see a beautiful month coming up, we might come back here. Okay, so this is looking good sector wise also. तो ये अच्छा लग रहा है. या प्रो गैप तो सब में है डेली में. ओके, बट द थिंग इज दैट प्रो गैप्स आर एट गैप रेजिस्टेंस. सो प्रो गैप तो सब में है, लेकिन मेन थिंग इज दिस गैप डाउन is a bigger problem. Okay. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, if the doji high is crossed, we might see some good movement in ultra attack. Okay, this looks little bearish. This looks little bit on either side. Okay, the Reliance looks little nice here. If, let's see the other stocks. अगर मारुति देखा है तो अभी साथ पे थोड़ा बहुत ये भी देखते हैं. हीरो मोटो. तो हीरो मोटो has got 64 and 63. So yes, there is a PRD setup out here. Okay, but that PRD is between also bearish divergence. Okay, इसमें भी weekly bearish divergence है. Okay, so let's see which confirms. Okay, see right now this is what it is. ये दो के बीच में bearish divergence है और ये दोनों के बीच में PRD है. तो ये स्टॉक को छोड़ देना चाहिए. Okay, ignore such stocks which has got both the signals. Island reversal over here as well, so you can expect this as the target. Okay, so this is also looking good as island reversal भी है इसमें. Let's see what it does now. It's a small doji at 60 and upper band. See, this is also very good resistance. Okay, it's set upper band as well as everything. Okay, if you just draw a straight line out here, see one resistance. Okay. This is mainly a resistance zone for this particular stock. So if it does not cross this, we might see some retracement even in this case. Second mainly is this. So there is some setup, positive and negative both on this stock, and we saw Nifty Auto also in a similar form. Okay, let's see the other stock, but Judge Auto. See, Hero Moto is in news for that Harley Davidson thing as well. Okay, so we don't know what will happen as a result of that. So this has got back-to-back retesting of shooting star on weekly, and it's resisting 60. So this also is a sector which is ready to get some beating up on the downside. ये तुम्हारा इधर है, ये इधर है, इधर है, तो ये बहुत सारा रेजिस्टेंस पर बेचारा बैठा हुआ है. Okay, so that is one thing, and also see 60 resistance on, and this has taken 40 support, but daily and weekly and monthly is resisting 60. अभी बाउंस भी है तो क्या फायदा, ये भी गैप रेजिस्टेंस पे भी है और ये थोड़ा बहुत ही बाउंस है. आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज गोइंग टू बी बिगर बाउंस इन दिस either. Right, so Bajaj Auto does not look good. फिर आई थिंक एस्कॉर्ट्स बहुत सारे लोग ट्रेड कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल टाइम हाई, बट इट इज स्टिल एट दैट लेवल ऑन मंथली. Okay, 69, 70, nothing to worry. Okay, nothing to worry here as well. But see, look at this. Okay, it has become now spiky, which means it's quite volatile stock now, and it's right now taking support over here on the base. So it has made a new base, by the way. This should not be broken. Earlier, this was the base. Okay, and the base has moved higher from here to here. And if this is maintained, we might see some new highs. Okay, and look at this also. See, this is the consolidation. Now see some breaking part, and see shooting star at 60 resistance, and see everything has fallen down. So this shooting star is at 60 resistance, and then see this clear fall for 5 days. Okay, Aisha, okay, similar things. Hammer at around 60. So Aisha looks more better than anything else. It's around 60. You can still say price supports. If the hammer high is crossed, we might expect this again. Okay, and oh, it's a back-to-back doji, back-to-back doji, and that doji is at support. Let me show you how. Hey, Baba, see this. Okay, it's the support of the trend line, by the way. And जो M बना है ना, M का M क्या W का सपोर्ट पे भी है ये. अगर W यहाँ से गिना जाएगा तो W का फर्स्ट टारगेट हो गया, सेकंड टारगेट पे डोजी है. So now if it has to start giving you the second target of this, right, there can be a, this can be in making now. Okay, so Aisha looks okay to me. So yes, there are few stocks which are looking good, but this doji high needs to be crossed. तो ऐसे ही मत buy कर लो. So wait for the confirmation on this. Okay, so Aisha we have seen. Now let's start with the finance sector. मैं इधर finance डाल रहा हूँ. Oh, see this monthly resisting of 20 MA. This is the third candle. One, two, three. Right. So it is clearly stating finance sector is not going to go up. Okay. So बैंक निफ्टी को आप ज़्यादा expect मत करो कि ज़्यादा move करेगा. Okay. Weekly see again this was where it was, right. A perfect shooting star retested where doji at the gap resistance as well. See. And from there it has come down. So now there can be again something where it might take a little bit up, okay, or might break this also. So this is a critical support for it. If this is broken, we might see it going down back to three figures. Okay, 900 के अंदर वापस चला जाएगा ये. And even this is not looking good. 36, 36.6. Okay, so I thought there was some divergence here. There is no divergence here as well. Okay, so I don't feel it's still working on. It's a doji at 40 now. Let's see what it does. It's not a hammer. It's a doji at 40. Okay, and you see there is not much volume here. इसको ज़्यादा खुश होने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. We have to see what it does now. Okay. Yeah, HDFC does not look much. Right, so this is going to be a clearly sideways zone. Okay, I don't think that this is going to be bullish much. थोड़ा साइडवेज में रहेगा, ये एक जोन में रहेगा, ये एक रेंज में रहेगा. ओके, और ये टूटा तो फिर छोड़ दो उसको. ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ इट वुड बी. ओके, लेट्स सी. Same is with that, except also below 40. 20 MA के भी नीचे आ गया ये, और ये भी सेम देखो. It's an excellent resisting at this level. Okay, 398, 400 के ऊपर जा नहीं पा रहा है ये. Okay, so that is another thing. Let's see the other Axis Bank. Same, see same. So weekly is at 40 support, and monthly is just gone below 40. Yeah? So this is again alarming for us. Okay, अगर ये close 40 के नीचे हुआ तो ये थोड़ा dicier है. Let's see now next week whether it closes above 40 or not. Okay, so that is where Axis Bank is. Then let's see SBI. Okay, SBI भी सब लोग बहुत खुश हुआ था, 200 क्रॉस किया, 200 क्रॉस किया, लेकिन क्या फायदा. See this resistance is here. Okay, and ये resistance को क्रॉस करना उसके लिए बहुत भारी है. Okay, so I'm not seeing this as bullish stock at all. मेरे को तो ये कभी भी पसंद नहीं आता है, because PSU banks I don't trust. Okay, now it is at around 40 support and price support. Even 40 I think is around here also, and daily is just below 40. So you can say it can be a clearly um, either a make or break for Bank Nifty. Okay, SBI also does not attract me much. Let's see Bajaj Finance. So it's also gone below 40 from almost 3700, 600 rupees gone down. Okay, weekly also it has come down resisting 60, and also see the gap resistance here, and it's a bearish engulfing at monthly and also below 20 MA now. Right, and see it's resisting 60. Okay, so all of this is resisting this. I don't know what you need to say from this, that do we need to focus on banks this week, given that not much movement in those areas? It depends. See, Bank Nifty will still have movement. If you still want to have Bank Nifty traded, you can trade it. So it's going to be sideways, so it's going to be more better if you are trading on intraday basis. 40, 60, you can easily trade, right? Now let's see the other sectors. DRR. See, DRR में अभी भी ये सब चीज चालू है. So it does lot of time pass. Huh? It does lot of time pass. It's a breakout with a gap, and that gap is right now been supported. Okay, weekly had a breakout on upper band and still on upper band support. Okay, so we might see this stock doing something else, but this is worrisome. Okay, it's a bearish harami. Okay, with volume. And monthly को क्या कहना? Monthly का अभाव है, कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. There is no 76, 76 point. अरे बाप रे. Okay, so where this now ends the month, we might see 3 more bearish divergence as well. Okay, so let's see how it closes the month. Currently there is nothing on this. Huh? Currently there is no bearish divergence, but we need the month to close. Okay, तो 3-4 दिन के बाद पता चलेगा क्या सीन है यहाँ पे. ये अभी भी सपोर्ट पे है. It's resisting 5500 again now. So let's see. Okay. ये एक चीज है जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, अराउंड 16 गैप सपोर्ट। ओके, बाकी सब में गैप रेजिस्टेंस इन अराउंड 40 है। Yes, you can do that. ये फ्लैग तो हो गया खत्म, अभी फ्लैग तो खत्म हो गया, फ्लैग क्या करोगे? फ्लैग तो बन गया, उसका जो बनना चाहिए था वो बन गया। ओके, फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर एंड यू कैन सी दैट इज ऑलरेडी बिन डन। अभी भी फ्लैग बन सकता है कि नहीं मालूम नहीं है, दूसरा और एक फ्लैग बनाएगा तो मालूम नहीं है। But I would not anticipate and trade. Okay, so yes, if you want, you can buy about this trend line. Okay, ये trend line break होने दो, so buy about 50 to 500 or maybe even this policy. There is also an island reversal here also. Island reversal मतलब यहाँ तक आ सकता है वापस। Okay, let's see then Cipla. Okay, Cipla also see this is gone below 40, below 60. See shooting star highs will retested. Okay. तो अभी ये जब तक ऊपर नहीं जाता तब तक छोड़ दो इसको। इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इट एंड यू आर मेकिंग मनी, गेट आउट। ओके, जस्ट गेट आउट। राइट नाउ इट इज अ शूटिंग स्टार एंड शूटिंग स्टार रीटेस्टेड and same is monthly. Okay, so monthly and weekly showing you that shooting star and retesting of shooting star. Okay, Lupin weekly has got 65, 67. So there is no setup, there is setup, but now it's making, see this monthly resisting 60, and also this is gap resistance now on daily. Okay, so yes, we are looking into few pharma stocks which can be, bringing the sector now. Okay, again, Dabur, if you see, Dabur is not part of this actually. You see this. So, resisting 60, so I would avoid. Here also resisting 60. Okay. So we need the close above 60 to see what it is doing, but it's in that same range for almost many months now. Okay, so avoid this also. Okay, and finally the another thing which is DVs. It's a doji at monthly at all-time high. Bearish engulfing here and bringing it down. Okay, see this is a very good example that we are at gap support, we are a PRD as well, but to get this confirmed, okay, it's going to be difficult because you have fallen from a very high level to 60, and then this can be, falling more. It might come here for support. So I would avoid this sector for this week. You will see this is at around 40 and gap support. So let's see what it does. But this is also around, some resistance on this, and it's one Okay, it has got one, two, three, four, five, and this is the sixth candle on the band. So let's see what it does here also. It has got mixed setup again. Okay, now let's see the other diamond stock TCS. उसको भी diamond में से क्या बना दिया इन लोगों ने? Silver, golden भी नहीं बचा बेचारा देखो. It's at price support here. See, it had a very clear cut bearish divergence here. See, this was a very clear cut outside inside. 5 bar bearish divergence, breakdown, and then the fall. हो गया ना और क्या चाहिए? See, clear cut bearish divergence. Then we have bear sets to confirm it, and then a gap down. और क्या चाहिए? Still, it is at around 60 and upper band resistance. Okay. Bullish Harami hai, but then that is not something which you should be looking much more because higher time frame will rule. Okay, so there's bounce back from this support at above 60. Okay, but this, see, this is where it is going to be stopped. See this huge gap. Okay, okay. See, take on the contrary has bounced from 60 support. Weekly as a doji, so now this can be again some fall in this as well. Okay, so this is going to be critical now. If we fall below this, we might see some correction in this. See, doji आ गया ना हाई ऑल टाइम हाई पे तो समझ जाने का कि कुछ हो गया प्लस ऑलमोस्ट फ्लैग खत्म हो गया है. ओके, और डेली में भी अभी इट्स अराउंड रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस. ओके, and we might see some bearish divergence also coming up. Yes, 4 bar bearish divergence we had. Okay, so there is not much even in HCL tech. Infi is now below 60, so this can be a good example of a range shift, bearish range shift. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Again, see a doji after a bearish divergence. Okay, it's a bearish divergence, very clear cut, and now there is a doji here. And maybe monthly also we might see some bearish divergence. Yes, currently there is a setup the month needs to close. 3 bar bearish divergence on Infi as well. Might be end to the run of IT stocks. Okay, and let's last see Hindustan Unilever and the corresponding stocks. See, this is a doji at 60 as well as price resistance. Okay, on daily. Contrary is hammer at 40 support. So क्या करेगा मालूम नहीं. Broken 60 as well, but taking support on 20 m. Okay, so daily doji at 40 resistance. ये पूरा कॉन्ट्रेडिक्टरी मार्केट है अभी, तो आई थिंक इट इज बेटर टू स्टे little bit away and do intraday rather than taking some positional calls. Weekly hammer at 40, okay, and monthly below 60 now, below 60, but at support of 20 mm. So I would suggest stay a little bit away from the market if you are doing positional. Intraday 40-60 खेलते बैठो और कुछ मत करो, वो सब चीज भूल जाओ यार। सी ये सब चीज ना, फेस्टिव सीजन and all that, this is all is bullshit. Okay, don't look into all those things anymore. सी फेस्टिव सीजन, कौन सा फेस्टिव सीजन तुम बात कर रहे हो निरंजन? ये पेंडेमिक में कौन सा नवरात्रि चालू होने वाला है और कौन लोग जाने वाला है गरबा खेलने? राइट, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? पेंडेमिक है, पेंडेमिक में मास गैदरिंग ही अलाउड नहीं है, तो किसका बिजनेस पिकअप होगा? कौन गाड़ी भी खरीदे और किसके पास पैसा है वो बताओ मेरे को अभी। Right, so it is going to be very very difficult. Okay, this is the year where people are struggling to survive in whatever they are doing. Right, so it's going to be very very difficult, so be very careful. Okay, तो वो तो बहुत बहुत दूर का चीज़ है, फेस्टिव में तो कोई है ही नहीं ये टाइम। ओके, लेट्स सी द अदर स्टॉक्स। एशियन पेंट, हाँ एशियन पेंट है जो मेरे को भी चाहिए, मैं उसको धंधा दूंगा। तो मेरे घर का पूरा वॉल खराब है, so I will have to do Asian paint. So it is taking 40 support. Okay, so we might see this is at price support and might see overall support also. See this. Okay, ये एक स्टॉक है जो थोड़ा बहुत मेरे को डिसेंट लग रहा है। See at 60 support on weekly, and this is again bearish. See, शूटिंग स्टार शूटिंग स्टार बता दिया इसे तो सीधा, और बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस भी है इसमें, ये देखो सब आउटसाइड इनसाइड और सब है इसमें भी। सी दिस। ओके, हाँ फॉर मी ओनली दे विल गिव। ओके, अरे बाप रे, लगा दिया लेकिन चालू नहीं किया, मेरा भी ना दिमाग चलता नहीं है शुरू से। ओके, now let's see the other stock Asian paint आ रहा है, ब्रिटानिया 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 मारी, वो तो देखा ही नहीं हम लोग। Look at Britannia also at 60 and maybe at support. So it's a doji at support on monthly. ये एक ही है जो कमा रहा है. This is also around 60 and maybe at support, and daily bouncing from 40 and lower band. Okay, this can be one stock which is looking good. Britannia, बाकी कौन है? कोलपाल, कोलपाल तो बहुत वॉलेटाइल भी रहते हैं यार, उसको छोड़ दो. So this is again at this level. Breaking of trend line, but need to see whether it confirms that below 60, below 60. So overall, it's a sideways market. Okay, everything is around 60 can be resisted as well. Okay, so call does not look good. And lastly, और कोई स्टॉक याद आ रहा है? किसी का मन का कोई स्टॉक है तो मैं एक दो स्टॉक देख लेता हूँ. पिज्जा बॉय देखते, पिज्जा बॉय अपना क्या नाम है उसका, भूल गया मैं. अरे बाप रे, डोमिनोज का नाम क्या है? जुबलेंट फूड. Okay, so I'll just see Jubilee now. Okay, so Pizza Boy is still in favor, 60 के ऊपर. इधर भी थोड़ा हैमर वैमर बना दिया उधर. ये ऑल टाइम हाई. ओके, क्योंकि घर पे बैठ के पब्लिक खाना ही खा रही है खाली, ऐसा लग रहा है. या इट्स बुलिश. घर बैठो, पिज्जा खाओ, एक पे एक फ्री. See, Bharti Airtel, I would wait because it is now taking support at the base. Okay, तो base टूटा तो short करो, उसके पहले नहीं. And you might see it coming to 490. Okay, that is my view on Bharti Airtel. Okay, so thank you everyone, and we'll meet tomorrow in the morning live trading, right? So thanks and see you tomorrow. Right?